Hello everyone. Now I'm going to talk about our project review classification using sentiment analysis. And we are the team members of Achya, Muthusura Devi, and myself Soundarya. We are guided under Dr. S.P. Veena ma'am. These are the contents which are going to explain in our project. The problem statement is that sentiment analysis in movie is very important because movie producers want their brand being positive or negative in front of other brands of competitors. The main focus on the issues on working in Tamil language and their approaches followed while performing sentiment classifications for the user generated content. Here, user generated content is nothing but Twitter comments. The abstract is that variety of subjects in social media are available. With that subject we can conclude from what kind of feelings is expressed there, that we can identify here. For this, machine learning approach is very effective and reliable for opinion mining and sentiment classification. In our project we are going to use Tamil language reviews, because Tamil language reviews is very typical one. So we are going to convert it into English by using Google Translate, and these translated reviews are classified and clustered by machine learning algorithms and techniques. um, the introduction is that the collected Twitter comments are user written textual contents, uh, and it is classified into the predefined set of classes such as positive, negative, etc. This can be done in sentence level process and document level process, but here we are going to use document level process. Um, Many companies are interested in measuring their customer satisfaction about their sentiments used in their comments. Um, in this, we are going to classify the data sets into training mode and testing mode. Uh, and this is roughly classified into two types, namely supervised method and unsupervised method. Supervised method is nothing but data sets with output. Unsupervised method, data set without output. For analyzing purpose, data sets with output is better. That is, supervised method is very helpful to predict the accuracy, correct accuracy level. That is, it gives high accuracy. So in our project we are going to take supervised method. The objective is to analyze the tweets of movie reviews in Tamil, and then to classify the Tamil reviews as positive or negative. These are the methodologies which are going to follow in our project. First one is data collection. Second one is data pre-processing. Third one is data filtering, and then feature extraction, and then algorithm classification, and then analyzing the sentiment. This is the system design for our project. Here we can collect the data from the Twitter and then pre-process it, and then filtering by some special features, and then we can extract the feature, uh, and then we can classify the algorithm. Here we are going to use random forest algorithm because it is very effective in giving high accuracy, and then we can predict the sentiment analysis as positive or negative. First one is data collection. Data collection is nothing but the data set which is collected from the tweets, um, that is we can related to any of movies. Data, and then data processing. um, Data pre-processing is nothing but the Tamil tweets are converted into English by using Google Translator. This can be explained in picture as well. Data filtering. Data filtering is nothing but filtering the data with uh, with known facts alone. For example, stop words, numbers, and punctuation. By removing the stop words, numbers, and punctuation. Stop words. Stop words is like verb, simple verbs is am or, that does not hold any additional information. So we can remove that. And then numbers and punctuation. Numbers can does not hold any additional information, and then as well as punctuations. So these can be removed first. This is known as data filtering. Feature extraction. Feature extraction is nothing but the the data filtered content is the featured extraction. Feature extraction identify the product aspects which are being commented by the customers, and the sentiment prediction identifies the text containing opinion by deciding the state sentiment polarity. Here polarity means the density of the content, which is positive or negative. Classifications of algorithm. Here we are going to use random forest algorithm, which is very capable in both regression and classification task. um, the hyperparameters which are tuned in the movie reviews, which and can be done by using only random forest algorithm. um, User generated opinion text data or automated mining in random forest algorithm. Sentiment analysis is also done by using random forest algorithm for predicting high accuracy. um, the output format is only in the form of positive or negative for real-time tweets. Uh, this is the initial data sets. The data set contains the Tamil language as well as the translated English language comments with the output as well, which is positive or negative. This is the initial data set. The second step is removing all the special characters such as question mark, punctuations, etc. These kind of special characters are removed from the data set, and the removed spaces are filled with the empty spaces. And then removing all single character in means of a etc. um, they After removing the single characters, the space is filled with empty spaces. For removing that empty spaces, so we have to remove all the single character from the starting of the text. For example, if a text containing starting word with a animal or like something, the starting a also will be removed. After removing the special characters from starting, we are going to convert it into lowercase. After converting into lowercase, the text is completely converted into binary format, that is numeric form. Binary format is very useful in proceeding with other steps. uh, the binary format text is passed into the prediction method to predict the accuracy score. Here we can see the accuracy level of 0.8174, that is 81% of accuracy is needed. uh, in this step, I'm going to explain another one important thing. Here we are going to take a data set. The data set is classified into two parts: training set and testing set. Training set contains 80% of the data set. Testing sets include 20% of the data set. The training set already has set supervised text, that is data set with output, that is positive or negative. Each and every command is known as positive or negative. Here the testing set is done all the project, that is removing all special characters. uh, Seeing the previous steps: remove all special character, remove all single character, remove single character from the start, converting into lowercase, representing text in numeric form. These steps are carried in the testing set, and this output is passed as the input to the prediction method. This prediction method gives the output that whether the data is positive or negative, whether the tweet is positive or negative. This positive or negative result is compared with the training data set. The training set data set have 80% of the data set. It compares both the training and testing set and gives the result as accuracy form, that is this accuracy one, 0.8174. This is how the sentiment is calculated. um, for a complete for a complete comment, it gives the polarity, that is negative or positive. Here first one is positive and the second one is negative. um, the social impact is the brand monitoring, competitive research, and product analyzing. It is the conference paper that also I have attached with the video. Thank you.